Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Trying my new Sony Handy Cam. Michelle is just running energy out. This has incredible, crazy, amazing image stabilization. You may notice that it's not moving at all. Now let's see what the wind is like, because the wind is in my face. This is my first try out with the camera. I did some quick little testing. Let's see how beautiful that shows up on the video. But right now is a good opportunity to look around. Oh, the minnows are gone. I was going to see, oh, there's one. I was going to see if we could see some minnows. Is that it? I can't quite see. Yeah, that is it. Michelle's playing in the water and it's still sitting there. So it's got good zoom, crystal clear. I don't know how far I can get zoomed in, but that's pretty impressive looking inside the water at a fish. There were a bunch of minnows. I'm just gonna look around and see and hear. Oh, there's a mess of minnows on the top of the water. Can it pierce the water? Pretty cool. But I just want to get an idea how this camera is going to be. We're resting at the cabin, fishing and hanging out. And I can't wait to see what this looks like on the computer. Because it is bright out. Although I can see the display much, much better than the other one. A fly just went in front of the camera. I saw that. Melanie's been fishing and catching some fish. It's a nice day. Let me see if I can get up here and see something. I just want to see an overall, see the colors. How's those colors? The dead trees contrasting with the green up there. I want to see how well this turns out. The blue sky, the reflection on the water. And this, I'm very, very impressed with the camera so far though. I'm on a moving boat and walking, and the stabilization in this thing is like crazy, crazy good. Part of the bottom of the lake broke out. And I don't look like I'm zoomed. That's good. The view on this is much better than the Canon that I was using. Not good at all. I'll use the Canon as a secondary camera for different angles, but this will be my primary from this moment forward. I still have some video clips still to process from the old Canon. Actually, it was my new camera, but still, that'll be a secondary. This looks really, really, really good. It's one of the best I've ever had. I love my Sony. Anyway, just wanted to try this out. There's a fish. See how it works out. I lost him. There he is. It's hard to follow a fish underwater with a camera. Wow, that's weird looking. We're just gonna hang out and enjoy cabin life for a while with the family today. There's one. And it's pretty amazing that I can go inside the water with this. Alright, I'm gonna get home and process this and see how it looks. I'll talk to you guys later. Just a test.